Guys, welcome to a live stream this morning, and I'm so grateful to God to be here with us this beautiful morning. I'm so grateful to God to be here with her this beautiful morning, and it's a privilege to be here talking to you this beautiful morning. And I'll be doing some live streaming like often, and I hope you will join me to be doing this together. You know, I just woke up this morning and like 6 a.m. It's 6 a.m. now. I just woke up, so I'm just trying to just look around and see what I can do. If you look, there's the bed that I slept on. You see, can you see it? That's a bed. Want to look further? That's a bed. So it's not an easy thing. Some of us we've not seen me here on this platform for a while, but not that I don't want to do YouTube again. I still love YouTube, and YouTube is one of the great platforms that someone can stay and then you can I say, get a reasonable impact or do a reasonable impact. And I'm so happy and grateful to God for opportunity to be alive today and then be communicating with you guys. So these days, apart from the movie that I'll be dropping here, my recordings will be will be here, like mostly live streaming. So sometimes I stream, you see whatever I have around, and you see whatever I'm doing. And right now I'm not at home. I traveled. I'm in a hotel as to speak. So you may not be. I don't know, but it's all good. It's all good. Just being here with you guys and then having a chat this morning. And I always appreciate my subscribers for taking their time to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's not easy because so many times a lot of people when they come to a YouTube channel, sometimes you don't subscribe. But you guys always subscribe to this YouTube channel. Even though when I'm not even uploading anything, but you subscribe. So you guys are doing a great job. I must say that. And I appreciate everyone. Everyone. When I mean everyone is everyone. Everybody is putting his own efforts to make this page or YouTube channel go on. I give my appreciation to you, and I'll always be here to make sure we stream together. I know it's not going to be easy, but we'll try our best and see how it goes. I believe this is streaming in what do you call, okay, streaming in 4K. I just wish that if YouTube can give us something that is streaming, you'll be playing some background music, that would be nice. Yeah, I'll build this streaming like big time. I'll take time to build it, and I believe you're all gonna enjoy it. Yes, I believe so. And let me just say this: starting a YouTube channel is not always easy because anytime you start a YouTube channel, you face some challenges, a lot of challenges. You face of challenges like how are you going to get people to subscribe to your YouTube channel? How are you going to succeed on YouTube? You know, how you get to get people to engage on your content? And those kind of questions they always come to our minds. And when they come, it depends on how we fight those questions, and then we talk to ourselves and we ask ourselves the reason why we are here on this platform. And some of us, I would say YouTube has made a lot of difference in my life. Yes. And the experience and people that I've seen and what YouTube has done for me, maybe I cannot explain or cannot even tell everything that YouTube has done to me. Because at times, sometimes I need some little funds to just get myself going. And then, boom, YouTube is always calling. And then YouTube will just pay. When YouTube pays, everything goes on great. So, as for me, I love this platform. And it's one of the best platform when you're talking about whether streaming or whatsoever. Okay, I want to see if I can view this what I'm streaming on this my. Oh, the video looks clean. Oh wow, I like what I'm seeing. It's clear. Well, this DJI is clear. The sound is good. Well, this DJI. The sound is good. It's clear. All right, so I'm just watching what I'm doing, and don't be so confused. But I'm just trying to see how smooth this live streaming is, and it's very smooth. And now I can go home and then stream with my boy. And one thing, my son's he loves camera so much, and he loves appearing before the camera. So it's great. Okay, so let me send somebody a WhatsApp message. I'm just testing this DJI um, Pocket 3 because someone said I should test this camera and see how it is. And I said, okay, let me just try it. And it's the camera is very good for webcam. It's very good. I must tell you. Can it turn 360? Right. Let me see something. Um, using using my DJI Pocket 3 as my webcam. DJI Pocket 3 as my webcam. For me, I can say this Pocket 3 is DJI Pocket Pocket 3 is very good for webcam. And you see the quality is superb. It's just that let me just remove my mic from here and then hang it here. Yeah. I think it makes a lot of difference, yeah. I think I need to tag DJI on this. Oops. I need to tag DJI. DJI. Which one is their official website? And what I can say, this camera is very good and it's clean. And the beautiful thing is that I don't have much light in this room, and the light is just looking so clear. You know, the lighting and the colors, the way the colors are coming out, I really, 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 really love it. And if you look around, I love the tracking. Yeah, when this camera tracks you, like you see, you see. So when you're using this camera, you're using this tracking effect. You have to be very careful for your surrounding. If your surrounding is not that the way you want it to be, it's better for you to just leave it the way it is, man. Let me see if I can introduce my friend to this kind of camera. She loves streaming, so my YouTube colleague all the way from Kenya. Um, okay. If you can try this Pocket 3, all right? This is Pocket 3. I'm streaming with Pocket 3. DJI Pocket 3 Pro. No, not Pro. Pocket 3. Look at it. This is what I'm using to stream on my YouTube channel, and the quality is top notch. The quality is great. So I think you can try it out and see what you can bring out of your streaming. You know, you love live streaming so much, so you try it and see. I need to arrange this my table. Table looks as that. Yeah. And come on. I love everything I'm seeing here. Come on. So I'm going to try this camera on a different platform to see what it can do. And especially to try to do my streaming and then see how it goes. because I'm the kind of person that loves streaming. I love streaming so much, and I'm so happy and grateful when I stream. And streaming to me is very good. I I love streaming. Okay, I love streaming. Like right from day one when I started streaming, it was not just business as usual. I know that I love streaming, and now this is my major challenge. All right. My major challenge that anytime I want to stream, I have so many platforms. Can I stream on YouTube? Can I go to Facebook? Can I go to TikTok? Can I go to uh, Instagram and stream? Can I go to sometimes I will just be thinking where to go and stream, and not knowing that I need to have a particular place where I'm streaming all the time, so that I will be able to gather my fan base. Because if I'm running from here to there, from there to here, it will be a big challenging for me to. Let me see if I can stand up. Let me see what this thing can do. All right, let's stand up. The camera is tracking me. Oh, hey, hey. The camera is tracking me. Can it track me for 360? No, it cannot go beyond this. But once my face comes into the frame, can it go 360 now? So you see, the camera is tracking me. Wow. I love this, guys. I love this. I must be sincere. I love this camera. I love it. The camera is making everything easier, like not stressful, you know. But what I will do this year, I will try to write down some platform that I'll be streaming on. If it's gonna be YouTube, TikTok, but I think YouTube is better. YouTube is better because other platform I don't understand like that. So at least I have a little bit of understanding with YouTube. You know, I'm just trying to mark my camera battery. When you don't mark your battery, and you go somewhere, somebody just try to collect your battery from you. So some people they don't like using their own battery. Everybody that's joining me, thank you so much for joining. If you're a new subscriber, please. Mm-hmm. All right, I think this sign is okay. I love this sign. Just trying to protect what you have. Because if you don't protect it, who's going to protect it for you? Welcome, 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 welcome. Well, today this live streaming may look so boring, but I'm just testing this thing. So when I'm doing full testing for live streaming, you guys will understand what I am up to. You know. Can you see? Canon battery. Come on, can you see? All right. See the focus. Oh God, it's crazy, man. I have 5 Canon batteries. So with this, if I'm streaming, I will not have, if I'm shooting at least, I'll know that I have enough battery to work with. I will not be running helter skelter looking for batteries to use.
Freedom, freedom, freedom. What? Oh my God, Frida!
Your face is beautiful. He's not. Muka kwai gai luto. Ayanga onasa. They have abandoned this my page. And then so any updates? Well, what's safe? Yeah. And then so about shooting today, kind of. Na adagba mo bankere. Okay. Oh, yeah, can go wrong here. Hearing. So I think I have two via there. The regular at one ban and clear. Well, precious no. Opinion mo time I tell WhatsApp and we room via there. Hey, give me phone right now. She can come from Makudi now. Because okay, but no time anyway. But ungo any female actors. Fidelia man. Ten.
Because that girl was good now. So that's not good. What of those to cost you now? I couldn't still like that.
I couldn't get him Makudio. But what I was saying is that ka very one normal condo. Balo that slave lo na way that costume. You can you more like kill that costume yam huala. Understand? That costume yam huala kilo kwa yam kanga more like kill everything. You can even wash it this morning so that maybe by 10 I wash one so that she consume by she no baga. Mm. Now, so Alui, I costume like I kill them and use it because you can be using the normal clothes. But man, I only special kind. What do you think? Eh? When you're So she made Zua sandals, yeah. Let's say that Maki Quake, Maki Gipty man. So I don't Zua sandals, yeah, more one. She gave explain more to this person, Maxwell, so they don't understand the VNA. So, Msomes, Ilu ya, Alu de Uru, always slave like. Then this other person should have a dagba. How the other rich man who instigating you every year with a fight the the other man. But I've asked scriptures us let's know what is written inside. And another thing is that because what do you call this thing? Kwa usine ka a local setting movie. But an epic movie guy. One it's local setting. But ka di pa na di son already kyondo na ka lo kula right. Uh-huh. All right. Okay. It's all right. Okay. I think I need to just sleep small before I come back to this live stream, right?